Garland literally came out yesterday and said, my department never has any political bias, and anyone who thinks otherwise and criticizes us, he's putting the lives of our Justice Department employees in jeopardy. I think a lot of people thought that was real nonsense. I'd like to get your reaction to that.
Well, obviously, it's very absurd. There's all kinds of unequal justice. They're attacking President Trump and prosecuting him for everything you can think of, all under the guise of the Department of Justice. I know as a member of the Ways and Means Committee, we had two brave whistleblowers that came forward, nonpartisan whistleblowers, to expose that the DOJ, the Department of Justice, under Merrick Garland, were slow-walking charges against Hunter Biden because they were hoping that they could have the statute of limitations expire, meaning that they couldn't bring those cases for millions of dollars in taxes owed by Hunter Biden, and they allowed that to happen. They also, under Merrick Garland's lead, there was a woman named Leslie Wolf, who also was part of that case, who made sure they didn't go and investigate a storage unit where Hunter Biden was revealed that he had evidence stored, and they made sure that that evidence that information got to the Biden administration during the transition in 2020. And that evidence disappeared. This is all under Merrick Garland. He is a dirty cop. Don't let anybody think anything otherwise. That's why they're doing all these press conferences. We do not have equal justice under the law, which is something that is really important as a lawyer and someone that is from the state of New York. And by the way, my father was a New York State Supreme Court justice. This is wrong, what's happening on our national level, and not to mention all the terrible things that are going on with Alvin Bragg and Letitia James in our state here, bringing false claims against President Trump just because they're trying to stop him from running for election. This is clear election interference. I'm the co-chair and founder of the Election Integrity Caucus. Why didn't they bring all these charges against President Trump 4 years ago? They didn't bring these charges until they found out that he was definitely going to run for office again. This is just dirty. It's corrupt, and we have to stop it. And let's hope everybody in that room make sure, as they said they would, get out and vote. Get people registered to vote. That's the only way we're going to win here, because the Democrats are going to come at us with everything they can to try to interfere with our elections, whether it's letting non-citizens vote in our election to undermine our very sacred right to vote, or whether it's election interference by causing this lawfare, as they call it, or as I call it, malicious prosecution, and abusive process in order to get President Trump out of the race.
And make no mistake, lawfare is on the ballot. If Republicans don't win, lawfare will double and triple in the next 4 years. Kamala Harris will put it on steroids.